morning, guys. Today is Sunday the 18th. I'm with Caitlin.
Oh, hi.
And my hair is half straight and half curly. That's alright. Today we are going to brunch. We are possibly going to look at a house. And we might be taking some pictures. And then tonight, Jamie's meeting up with us and we're gonna go see 50 Shades Freed. Which, by the way, I don't know if I told you, but Mary Beth said was awful.
Aww.
Yeah, but she's, I'll tell you more about why she thought it was awful in a minute. But anyway.
We don't get any.
It's hot in this car.
It's off.
Anyway, I'll show you guys our brunch because we're going to a place neither of us have ever been. And I'm super excited about it because I heard it's really good. So, anything you want to say?
No, I'm just really excited about biscuits and gravy with turkey sausage.
So we are in a house right now looking, oh, okay. I thought that door was open for some reason. I guess I'm gonna show you around. It's in my old neighborhood. So there's a fireplace right there. It's very, for the rent, this is not as much living space as I would want. What? That's so weird. Okay, there's a bathroom right here in the kitchen. Yeah, this is a no from me.
This is a no for me too because look at the appliances and this.
Yeah.
Like it's all.
And on the phone, they were like, all the appliances come included, so you don't even have to worry about it.
Garage.
But the garage didn't even.
Finished.
I'm done.
Finished.
I'm done with this place. There's like barely any.
What is this? What is this?
I'm so done with this.
It's printed. What?
And this is the laundry room. There is a fenced-in backyard, which is a plus, but there's no way. Look at these steps.
Girl.
Look how steep these steps are.
Yeah, that's a no for kids. Put like 5 baby gates up.
Look at that squirrel.
And you can see into your neighbor's house.
Yeah, this is not okay. I just can't get over that.
I can't get over that either. I'm not done shopping yet.
Okay, let's keep going. Let's go look upstairs. I'm not crazy about the light fixtures and the popcorn ceilings either. No. There's not a basement in a lot of these homes. Yeah. Okay, so that means the master's upstairs too. Okay, here's one bedroom.
Look, you can sleep up here.
This has got a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy about that whole situation.
Is the tiles kind of
Look at the paneling.
Yes. What is this intercom system? Like, what? Does it work? Hello. You should have done there.
Don't do it. Okay, this is not much of anything for the money. And this is the master right here.
That's like the apartment was bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a no.
What is this? What kind of crap is this?
Completely. As you guys can probably tell, I'm not impressed. By the way, I'm moving this camera.
By the way, it took 15 minutes to get that key.
Yeah, it
15.
did. And I had to sign up for some stuff.
Where's the shower?
Girl, there is none, I guess.
What is this for?
I don't know. Okay, this is...
This is a negative. Did she say it was a big closet or no?
Yeah, she said a walk-in closet.
The closet's almost the size of the room, girl. It's a pretty big closet.
Yeah,
it goes back.
I'm just... Okay, yeah, it is. You can make this an office. You can use that closet as an office. This is a no.
So I'm like this intercom system.
So I'm gonna put this key back, and we're just gonna leave. We're just gonna look at that outlet. Why is there an outlet right there? And why is it coming off of the wall?
No, look, did you see this?
Do not know.
Why not live on the edge?
Because I'm not taking you to the hospital right now.
I would put a hammock here though, Loki. Or one of those little, you know what I'm talking about?
What is going on? Like,
And how much was the?
Like $16.50.
Yeah. I almost fell down the stairs, girl. I almost just took
I'm putting this key back and we're leaving. We're going, there's another open house. There's an open house down there later. And then there's some other houses I want to show Caitlin over in the other area, but I'm leaving. We're at this wall.
This wall.
This
you
wall.
Know who this?
In Gallatin, and we're gonna take some pictures. So, yeah. Oh wait, now it's recording.
So people are looking at us, and we're in front of a church.
It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Yeah. Hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. Empty dog. I even got it tatted on me.
We're in Lowe's now. We're gonna do the Hobby Lobby challenge, but in Lowe's because Hobby Lobby's closed today. So if you don't know what that is, you take pictures in the like fake flowers or greenery or whatever. And I spotted our first location on the way in. So we'll see. And I'm gonna try to use the big camera and see what they say. She's fascinated with the tubs, so yeah.
Anyway. Jump in this tub, but I couldn't get up there.
All right, well, we're gonna go to the first location.
we'll shut the door.
Alright, it's gonna be fun.
Alright. Everybody, keep your fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Alright,
What a
you
great
do the
way to
honors.
bond.
Go, take us up to, let's go all the way up to 2. See how, oh, here we go.
This is nifty. Guys, if we do get stuck in it, we'll have some good bonding time.
Yeah.
We'll
Tight quarters.
We'll have to buy the house after we get stuck in it. I mean, right. He doesn't want us to leave.
Alright, so I think that's the first floor there.
Definitely would have somebody come out and look at this.
Yeah, let's get this thing inspected.
It's not a bad idea though to have an elevator in your house, I guess.
And you really
Especially
don't see
if
it
you
from the
have, like,
outside.
elderly parents or anything like that.
Yeah.
You know, like that's good. Not a lot of houses here, I mean, that I've noticed.
Alright, I think.
Look, this has got the intercom too, though.
Really? Call your kids down.
That would have been helpful when I was a teenager because they had to text me to come downstairs. So this house is freaking huge. It's not even $1 million, but it's on the lake.
It's on the lake, which is really
Like,
good.
yeah, it's got an elevator, as you saw. I was recording while we were in there.
Were you really?
Yeah.
I was just about to ask you, how was you doing? Go back down.
No, I ain't going back down it.
No, that was sketchy.
It's so nice. And I surprisingly like the green door. I might change it to like a blue, but. Well, update. We're back at Bri's house now, and we did a little shopping. Well, I did a little shopping because I have a shopping problem, and so. But I'm not good at this. I'm cutting off my face. You're gonna keep this in here too. Okay, so I'm gonna put y'all down for a minute. Lay there. Okay, good. Don't put it over here because I'm changing. So I can show you guys what I got. I got another pair of shoes, but I didn't bring them in. So I went to Marshall's. Got a little mini shopping spree. Got these cute shoes, which I'm about to put on. Super cute. They were $34. Then I got a pair of Nautica shoes. Nautica ones. And they were $20. No. And then I got this really cute pink like sweatshirt. You almost fell over changing.
No, you almost showed me.
No, did I?
Yeah,
Oh,
when you were picking it up.
This, and I got some socks too. We were gonna meet up with Jamie, but Jamie's not answering the phone. So hoping you watch this later, Jamie, F you. And so then we're gonna go eat dinner and then go see the movie. I'm sure we will update you soon. So yeah, talk to you soon, YouTubes. I don't know how to turn this off. So, oh yeah, she gave you a shout out. So we're at TGI Fridays. Jamie is here now.
Sure is.
What?
The add-on house that way to like add to your meal. is $3.49, but I can get a regular size house salad for $4.99. What's in this?
I get both then, and I just take the leftovers home.
Double salad.
I didn't eat double salad. I just want to smoke that. So we're gonna go see 50 Shades Freed later, if we ever get served.
I'm trying to keep my mouth shut.
Whew, I am oily. I'm home. I'm fixing to take my makeup off, ignore that mess, and ignore how bad I look. Whew, okay. The movie was okay. I mean, I like the books better, but... And ignore how loud my tank is. I need to do a water change. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below. Follow me on my socials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.